Long Beach chaos. Truck driver goes crazy. Okay, fasten your seatbelts, folks. You're about to witness one of the craziest and most destructive police chases we've ever seen in Los Angeles County history. This isn't just any chase, it was a truly insane one, and it happened on the afternoon of Friday, March 28th, 2025. Our story begins around 2:45 p.m. Picture this. A seemingly innocent stop at a South Los Angeles auto repair shop. The truck owner suddenly goes inside to get some cash, then leaves his work truck running. Big mistake. The suspect takes advantage, jumps in, and suddenly, a stolen car takes off, sparking a shocking chase throughout Los Angeles. From those surface roads, he speeds down Highway 605 toward the San Gabriel River, and immediately, this driver displays a new level of recklessness. We're talking speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, slamming into cars left and right. Can you even imagine being on this highway, thinking you're safe, when suddenly this out-of-control truck pounces on you? Pure madness. Then he swerves and enters the streets of Whittier. This is where things get truly terrifying. Watch closely. He doesn't just crash into cars. He jumps medians, swerves wildly between cars, and even drives onto the hard shoulder to hit more cars. It's complete chaos, leaving incredible destruction in his wake. Seriously, what's going through this guy's mind at this moment? As he heads toward Long Beach, his desperation grows. He hits the gas pedal full speed ahead, causing minor damage to more cars. But then, he hits an intersection with traffic jams. And you won't believe this. He rams his truck directly into the back of at least 3 parked cars, rolling right through the wreckage. Incredible. Even with a flat tire, he kept driving, struggling for control. He hit more cars, struggled, and eventually crashed head-on into the road. The climax of this crazy ride? A stunning turn. He ran a red light, slammed into an SUV and another pickup truck, sending his stolen truck into the parking lot of a Sherwin-Williams paint store. He slammed hard into a concrete barrier near the front door. Again from another angle. But it wasn't over yet. He jumped out of the truck and sped off, thinking he'd outrun a dozen LAPD officers. You see the sheer number of units that finally converged to bring him down. After running several blocks, he was tackled and fell to the ground. A violent struggle ensued, and shockingly, at least one officer was injured in the scuffle and required an ambulance at the scene. The aftermath? It was ancient. Paramedics rushed to the driver of the SUV he violently crashed into. His condition at the time was unknown. Even the suspect, after all the chaos, required medical attention. This entire incident serves as a reminder of the extreme danger and dire consequences of these reckless pursuits on the streets of California. Stay safe, Los Angeles. Now, I'd like to hear from you, the viewers. What was the most shocking moment you encountered during this chase? What do you think should be the consequences for drivers who cause this kind of destruction? Don't forget to like this video if you're excited, and subscribe to the High Speed channel for more exciting police chases.